Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf bag zipper. First, assess the damage to determine if the zipper is stuck, has misaligned teeth, or needs a new slider. Next, gather your tools, which might include needle nose pliers, a zipper repair kit, or a graphite pencil. Begin by cleaning the zipper teeth with a small brush to remove any dirt or debris that could be causing the problem. This initial step is crucial for a successful repair. For a stiff zipper, apply a lubricant like graphite from a pencil or a silicone spray directly onto the teeth. Move the slider back and forth to distribute it evenly. If teeth are bent, use needle nose pliers to gently straighten them, ensuring they interlock smoothly. For a separated slider, carefully work one side of the zipper into the slider, then the other, until both sides are properly engaged. Patience is key here for a lasting fix. If the slider itself is broken, you'll need to replace it. Start by carefully removing the metal stop at the top of the zipper track using pliers. Once the stop is off, slide the old, broken slider completely off the zipper. Now, take your new slider and carefully thread both sides of the zipper teeth into it, making sure it's oriented correctly. Once the slider is on, reattach a new zipper stop to secure it in place. After completing the repair, thoroughly test the zipper by opening and closing it several times to confirm it operates smoothly without catching. For ongoing maintenance, regularly clean your golf bag zippers and apply a lubricant to prevent future issues. This simple routine can significantly extend the life of your zippers. Also, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.